Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan ranch dressing. To begin, select a creamy foundation such as raw cashews or silken tofu, which will provide a luxurious texture. Next, combine 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Let it sit for 5 minutes to create a quick vegan buttermilk. Finally, prepare your fresh and dried herbs, along with essential spices, to infuse that unmistakable, tangy ranch taste into your homemade dressing. For that truly authentic ranch flavor, fresh herbs are key. You'll want about 2 tablespoons each of finely chopped fresh dill, chives, and parsley. These vibrant greens provide the signature herbaceous notes. Complementing these, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder for a savory foundation. A pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt will perfectly balance and elevate all these wonderful ingredients, bringing out their best. Achieving a silky smooth consistency is vital for excellent vegan ranch. If using cashews, remember to soak 1 cup in hot water for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to ensure they blend effortlessly. Once softened, combine all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no grittiness. If the dressing is too thick, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra plant-based milk until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Once your delicious vegan ranch dressing is ready, proper storage is important to maintain its freshness. Transfer it into an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. Your homemade dressing will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, and often, the flavors deepen and meld beautifully after a day or 2. Enjoy this versatile dressing as a delightful dip for fresh vegetables, a creamy topping for your favorite salads, or a zesty spread in wraps and sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.